Ooh. Oh, that felt fishy. So I just had my, you know what, handed to me fishing dries, fishing these tricos. We were fishing a big fish on a far bank and just couldn't pattern it. It would eat and then it would disappear for a minute, then it would eat and it'd disappear for 4 minutes, and then, so we decided to come up and start nymphing again. And this is a unique situation because we've got a back eddy in front of me and faster water in the middle. And you need to understand how to get that dragless drift. The mending is the best way to do it. And one of the things that I use to understand whether or not you need to mend upstream or downstream is a very simple reference to an automobile. It sounds crazy, but it's true. If you've got water in front of you that's slower than the main current, you slow down, which means you mend down. You never slow up, do you? No, and you're driving a car. Just the same as if you've got fast water in front of you, you never speed down. You always speed up, so you mend up. I think that's a really interesting way to remember which way you need to mend when you've got varying current speeds in front of you.
When we're in Wyoming, we reference it by a horseshoe. So if the line is developing a horseshoe, basically the line between you and the bubble or strike indicator is developing a horseshoe downstream, mend the opposite way of the horseshoe. So if it's developing a downstream horseshoe, mend up, and vice versa, upstream horseshoe, mend down, keeps a nice even dead drift.
Oh my gosh, it's going all over the pool. Nice fish, big
Good
rainbow.
fish.
So we started nymphing the tail of this run and didn't pull anything out, so I started throwing on Blake's recommendation to come up parallel with this rock shelf and throw it up into the white water and let it come down, and 2 drifts and there you go. Oh my gosh, these head shakes. And this is a big fish, Blake.
Good fish.
You want me to
Really
walk you
good
down to that
fish.
softer water?
Yeah, about right there is perfect. We can keep them out of this moss. Laying them right out here in front of me will be ideal.
Big wild rainbows. These are just perfect, perfect, perfect. Nice, good job. All right, let's take a look at this guy. Strong fish, hey Blake?
Gorgeous fish, yeah, awesome.
Whoop, yeah, I know. Almost
Spunky.
can't even get my hand around.
Yeah.
Awesome fish. On the MacGruber,
Yep.
good fly, awesome fight.